In this question, we're asked to write the number 3076 in standard form. Just so you know, standard form is the same thing as scientific notation. And to write any number in standard form, you must do the following. Write out the number, and then you place the decimal point after the very first non-zero term. The next thing you want to do is to count how many spaces it would take for this decimal place to move back to its original location. Every time the decimal point would have moved, that represents a multiple of 10. So in this case, it will take 3 spaces, therefore 3 multiples of 10. So 3.076 by 10 to the power of 3 would be your correct answer, and in this case that would be D. Now if you enjoyed this video, please feel free to like, share and comment below. Questions like these will be posted weekly on YouTube. You can see the solutions by clicking the scroll icon in the bottom left hand corner of the screen. Now to access these slides, you will have to visit my website at knowledgescroll.com. In particular, you would have to go to exam preparation, and here you can see the slides on the website. You can scroll through, and just like I said before, if you click this icon in the bottom left hand corner, you'll be taken to the solution to the question on YouTube.